Welcome to EDU World Space.
So in this video, we're going to talk about question 40 from chapter 20, which says, besides the central atom, what are the key differences between CO2 and SiO2? So CO2 is carbon dioxide, and the structure of carbon dioxide is just a linear molecule where you have carbon double bonded to two oxygen atoms. This is very different from the structure of SiO2, which is quartz, which is actually has a tetrahedral geometry. And you might be thinking, how could it have a tetrahedral geometry the way I've drawn it? I've given this silicon atom 4 oxygen atoms, and the formula for quartz is SiO2. So how is this possible? And the answer is that these tetrahedral silicon dioxides actually occur in a lattice. So you have this lattice structure of tetrahedral silicon atoms, each bonded to 4 different oxygen atoms, but those oxygen atoms are shared between another silicon dioxide molecule. So this is kind of similar to the situation you have in any ionic compound. So while it might look like the formula for this should be SiO4, you actually have just 2 oxygen atoms per silicon atom because of the way these atoms are shared between silicon atoms. So the difference is that our silicon, our SiO2, forms a tetrahedral lattice. So again, on that other slide, I drew things flat, but you know that this is in fact a tetrahedron. So each of the points in that lattice would be its own tetrahedron. So the difference is that silicon forms this tetrahedral lattice, while carbon dioxide forms individual linear molecules. And this is actually why carbon dioxide at standard temperature and pressure is a gas, while quartz is a hard solid.